Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video about headaches. Headaches are a common ailment that almost everyone has experienced at some point in their lives. In this video, we will discuss what causes headaches, the different types of headaches, and how to manage them effectively. What causes headache? Headaches are usually caused by changes in the brain, blood vessels, or muscles. Some of the most common causes of headaches include tension and stress, dehydration, poor sleep habits, eye strain, sinus pressure, medication overuse, hormonal changes, illness or infection. Types of headaches. There are many different types of headaches, but we will focus on the most common ones. Tension headaches. These are the most common type of headache, and they typically feel like a tight band around the head. They can last for several hours or days and are often caused by stress or muscle tension. Migraines. Migraines are a type of headache that causes intense throbbing or pulsing pain on one side of the head. They can be accompanied by nausea, vomiting, and sensitivity to light and sound. Migraines can last for several hours or days and can be triggered by certain foods, stress, or hormonal changes. Cluster headaches. Cluster headaches are a type of headache that is characterized by intense pain around one eye. They are less common than tension headaches or migraines but can be very severe and last for several weeks or months. How to manage headache. There are several ways to manage headaches, depending on the type and severity of the headache. Here are some strategies that may be helpful. Over-the-counter pain relief medication, such as aspirin, ibuprofen, or acetaminophen. Prescription medication. Your doctor may prescribe medication for more severe headaches, such as migraines or cluster headaches. Lifestyle changes, such as getting enough sleep, eating a healthy diet, and reducing stress. Alternative therapies, such as acupuncture, massage, or cognitive behavioral therapy. When to see a doctor. Most headaches can be managed with over-the-counter medication or lifestyle changes, but there are times when you should seek medical attention. These include headaches that are severe or persistent, headaches that interfere with daily activities, headaches that are accompanied by other symptoms, such as vision changes or difficulty speaking. Thank you for watching this video about headaches. We hope you found it helpful in understanding what causes headaches, the different types of headaches, and how to manage them effectively. Remember to always seek medical attention if you have severe or persistent headaches. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below.